Today we are starting with a new chapter, that is coordinate geometry. This chapter is very much important for whole geometry portion, so please listen it carefully. Now here first topic is Cartesian system. In this Cartesian system, as you can see that the figure I have provided, Cartesian system consists of two axes, that is x-axis and y-axis. Now here you can see that x-axis is being formed in horizontal manner and y-axis is being formed in vertical manner. And wherever both the axes are meeting, that meeting point is known as origin. So here are the few points you can see in the given notes. Please observe it carefully. First is the point where both x-axis and y-axis are meeting is called the origin. It is denoted by O. These two axes when are joined together, then they cut it into 4 quadrants, and the plane consists of the axis, which is the plural of axis, and these quadrants is called the Cartesian plane or coordinate axis or xy plane. Now here in this point you can see that 4 quadrants is there. That means 4 quadrants are being there in the Cartesian system itself. You can see I have mentioned the quadrants in the figure. Then come to point number 3, that is the axes are also called the coordinate axis. In the point xy, x coordinate is called abscissa and y coordinate is called the ordinate. Now next is xy is also called coordinate. Please remember these 3 things. These are very important for this chapter. Now next is the coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. Always remember this. Then there are 4 more points according to which we will be able to find that in which quadrant, in which form the points are being denoted. So number 1 is, that is points in first quadrant is in the form positive, positive. Second is points in second quadrant is in the form negative, positive. Third is points in third quadrant is in the form negative, negative. Fourth is points in fourth quadrant is in the form positive, negative. Then here are some examples on the basis of this information. Please listen it carefully, then you will be able to solve your book exercise easily. Okay, now example number 1 is plot the following ordered pairs xy of numbers as points in the Cartesian plane. Use the scale 1 cm is equals to 1 unit on the axis. That is given in the table. Now you can see that a table is given, and through this table we will be plotting our points on the graph. Now you can see that a graph is being plotted according to this given table. So I have plotted this graph accordingly. Please listen it carefully. As you can see that -3, -3 has been plotted in the graph and named the point as A. Similarly, -3, 0 is also being plotted in the graph and is being named as B. Then 5, 0 is also plotted in the graph and is being denoted as C. Then fourth is 5, 5, that is being denoted by D. Now we will answer some question on basis of this plotted graph. So our first question on basis of this graph is, what shape is formed after plotting? We can see that this is the shape of rectangle. So our answer is rectangle. Then come to second part, that is find the area of the figure formed. Now you can see that as it is a rectangle, so it will be having length and breadth both. Now you can see that length is acting as BC, whose value is 8 units. Similarly, you can see that breadth is acting as AB, whose value is 5 units. Now formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now we will be putting our values from the graph in this given formula, and we will be getting the answer as 40 square units. Then come to third question, that is the abscissa of the point B. Point B, here it is minus 3 comma 0. Now we will be choosing, or not choosing, sorry, we will be telling that which one is the abscissa. Here minus 3 is the abscissa. Then come to fourth point, that is the ordinate of the point A. Here point A is minus 3 comma minus 5. Again from here ordinate will be minus 5. Then come to fifth part, that is the coordinate of D. Point D is 5 comma minus 5. Now this whole point will be acting as the coordinate only, so this will be the answer. In which quadrant or on which axis point A lies? This is the question number 6. We can see that point A lies in the third quadrant. Then seventh part is in which quadrant or on which axis point B lies. You can see according to the figure it lies on x-axis. Then come to example number 2. Without plotting in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points minus 3 comma minus 5, 3 comma 0, 5 comma minus 2, minus 2 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 0 comma minus 6, 7 comma minus 8, minus 8 comma 9 lie. So we will be telling according to signs of these points. That means we will not plot the graph, we will be just telling according to the signs. You can see that our first point is minus 3 comma minus 5. According to the sign it lies in third quadrant. Then 3 comma 0 lies on x-axis. 5 comma minus 2 lies in fourth quadrant. Minus 2 comma 3 lies in second quadrant. 3 comma 5 lies in first quadrant. 0 comma minus 6 lies on y-axis. 7 comma minus 8 lies in fourth quadrant. Minus 8 comma minus 9 lies in second quadrant. Now on the basis of these two examples and on the basis of this given information to you, you will be able to solve your given exercises.